Don't let dry air stop you from enjoying your vacation. Instead, bring along your own humidifier. Small and portable, but still effective, the best travel humidifiers offer impressive relief against the negative effects of dry air. There are many products available to choose from. Best portable travel humidifier, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best portable travel humidifier from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Multiportable Mini Humidifier. When it comes to portable humidifiers, the Multiportable Mini Humidifier is one of the best. Only weighing around 10 ounces, it has a working time of up to 18 hours. It includes 2 mist modes. The first sprays continuously for 12 hours, and the second spray intermittently for 18 hours. The 500 ml water tank has a sensor that includes a shut-off feature that activates when the water level is too low. The humidifier also includes a night light and a USB cable. At only 5.3 x 3.9 x 3.9, traveling with the Multiportable Mini Humidifier is a breeze. Number 2. Pure Enrichment Stair Studio Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment Stair Studio Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is definitely one of the best cool mist humidifiers. It has a sleek look and can balance the humidity whether you're relaxing in Mexico or discovering Marseille. The problem with many travel-size humidifiers is the limited runtime, but this humidifier allows you to sleep comfortably through the night, as it has a 10-hour runtime. It has a 0.7-liter water tank and can deliver up to 80 milliliters per hour of moisture. Soft glow lighting is also included to help you operate it in the dark. For a stylish and effective humidifier, check out the Pure Enrichment Stair Studio Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Number 3. Levoit Dual 100 Ultrasonic Humidifier. With many humidifiers not being able to use essential oils, the Levoit Dual 100 Ultrasonic Top Fill Cool Mist 2-in-1 Humidifier and Diffuser boasts the versatility many travelers have been waiting for. You can improve the air quality with the humidifier, and the diffuser lets you take advantage of the benefits of essential oils. The 3.4-pound humidifier can run for up to 20 hours at less than 28 decibels. It has 3 mist settings, so it can be adjusted to your personal comfort level. It's equipped with a spiral air duct technology that allows the mist particles to humidify the room without damaging nearby furniture. It even has an intelligent sleep mode that maintains a comfortable humidity and shuts off all display lights to prevent sleep disruption. Number 4. Vicks Mini Filter Free Cool Mist Humidifier. One of the best mini humidifiers on the market, this Vicks humidifier has a half-gallon tank with a working time of up to 20 hours. The tank has a large opening, which makes it easy to clean and refill. Designed for better breathing and to give you a more comfortable sleep, it requires no filters and works with Vicks Vapor Pads if you'd like to add soothing menthol vapors. It measures 8.3 x 8.3 x 9.1 and weighs just under 3 pounds. While this isn't ideal if you're an ultralight backpacker, the Vicks Mini Filter Free Cool Mist Humidifier will fit in your weekender bag just fine to help with a restful night's sleep, no matter where you are in the world. Number 5. Rapport Ultrasonic Essential Humidifier. This updated humidifier has been greatly improved, so you can enjoy the advantages of both the humidifier and essential oils. It works with ordinary tap water and up to 3 drops of essential oil. If you're not into essential oils, you can still enjoy the benefits of the humidifier. It has a beautiful design that includes 7 LED mood lights with adjustable brightness. There are 2 mist settings. The intermittent setting has a 6-hour working time, and the continuous setting has a 3-hour working time. It only measures 3.1 x 3.1 x 5.5, so it won't take up too much space in your luggage. Whether you're using it in a hotel, hostel, or Airbnb rental, the Rapport Ultrasonic Essential Oil Diffuser and Humidifier will add just the right amount of style and moisture. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.